How to check if someone is using your Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. You will land to your profile. At the top right corner you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Now head towards this option of settings and privacy. At the very top you can see the search box. Over there type in where you are logged in. Now tap on this option. Now from here you can check your account login activity. It's gonna show you the devices that you are logged in as well as the location. Over here you're gonna find the device that you are logged in right now. Likewise over here you will find the devices and the location that you are logged in or you were logged in. If you find any suspicious device that you were logged in, you can tap on this option of select device to log out and do that as well. Likewise, another way to check if someone is using your Instagram account is head back. Now again tap on 3 bars. Go to this option of your activity. Now scroll down, head towards this option of account history. Over here you're gonna find your account history, review changes that you have made to your account since you created it. That includes the change in name, username, password and everything. So from here as well you can check if someone is using your Instagram account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.